Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well. Guys, once again I am with you. Today I am going to teach you English literature from your NCERT book Beehive, chapter 2, and the title is The Sound of Music by Deborah Cawley. Guys, you open your notebook and write down the spelling of the author Deborah, Deborah, Deborah Cawley, Cowley, Deborah Cawley. So this chapter, it is divided into two parts. Actually, biographies of two great personalities. Those are depicted in this chapter. The first part consists of the biography Evelyn Glennie. The author, he has presented the biography of Evelyn Glennie, one of the renowned and popular xylophone players of the world. And the second part, that is based on the most popular, or you can say the legendary Shehnai playlist, Ustad Bismillah Khan. So today I am going to teach you from the first part, that is about Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie was a Scottish girl. She belonged to Scotland. From her very childhood days, she was very much fond of music. But suddenly an incident happened in her life. When she was only 8 years old, her parents realized or came to know that she was deaf. Not entirely deaf, but faintly she used to hear in faint manner. And when she became 11 years old, she was totally deaf. But this incident could not stop Evelyn to keep away from her passion or wish, that is xylophone. She continued her practice, she continued her lesson on xylophone. Her teachers, they discouraged her because they used to criticize that she was deaf. How come she would play or perform on stage? How come she will sustain her practice? But nothing could stop her. She did not listen to anybody. Meanwhile, a gentleman, he supported Evelyn, and he was known as Ron Forbes, Ronforbes. He was also musician. He used to play drum. So Ron Forbes, he encouraged Evelyn. He supported her. He motivated her. And Evelyn continued her practice, continued her lesson on xylophone. And when she became the teenager, she traveled UK, that means United Kingdom. She performed many programs on stage. She joined a orchestra group, youth orchestra group, and with that group she used to travel and she used to perform. And later on, when she became skilled and expert xylophone player, she separated herself from that group and she started performing individually or solo performance. Evelyn used to say that music or sound, it used to flow through her body, that means each and every organ of her body, through her skin, through her legs, through her feet, through her hair, through her cheekbones. She used to feel the vibration of music and the sound of music or the sound of instrument. Thus, she used to perform on stage. One more thing she added, that whenever she used to perform on the wooden surface of the stage, she used to put off her shoes. That means remove her shoes, so that with bare feet she could realize or she could feel the vibration more vividly. And thus she used to perform in a fabulous manner on stage. This is how Evelyn became famous and one of the renowned and popular xylophone players of the world. She was awarded with many prize rewards, and in the concluding part of the story, that means through Evelyn, that means through Deborah, Evelyn says, or you can say a message on behalf of Evelyn to the readers or to the entire world,